So, hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well. Now, today I am going to explain you Science Class 8, that is CBSE syllabus. And what I want to explain you is that you see, in some books the chapter name is given coal and petroleum. In some books it is written natural resources, and in some book it is written underground fuel. So whatever it is, but the topic but the inside the matter is same. Now today I am going to explain you natural resources. Natural resources. So what are natural resources? Resources means that thing which is useful for the mankind, where man is survived with the help of those things which they get from the nature, is called natural resources. You see, the very first thing what every living being, whether it is plants or animals, insects, creatures, whatever it is, even we, the most important natural resource is sunlight. So sun is the main resource. So it's natural. Say sunlight. With the help of sunlight, all the green plants produces food through photosynthesis. So for photosynthesis, sunlight is necessary because they trap directly solar energy. So every green plants, every green those who contains chlorophyll, they prepare their own food with the help of photosynthesis, and photosynthesis is not possible without sun. So sun is the main source. And second important source is water. Every living being requires water. That is the basic source of living being. And the third, air. Everybody needs air. We breathe in air through respiration. For photosynthesis also, plants require carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis. And we takes in oxygen, we gives out carbon dioxide. Every living being requires air. Important resource of the human life. Not the human life, but all living beings. Now, forests are also natural resources. Forest, though many of the persons, their livelihood is depends on forest because they earn their living by forest. So forests are also because for living surrounding the forest, but also it gives timber. It gives many things. Now, rocks and minerals, they are found under the earth's crust underground. So they are also comes under natural resources. Oils, oil is a fossil fuel. Oil, it comes coal, petroleum. They are all we get from the underground. So they are also natural resources. Animals are also comes under natural resources because many persons earns their life through domestic animals. See, cow and all, with the help of the milk, many persons are living, many persons are earning their livelihood with what you call animals. Let it be hen, let it be horse, let it be elephant, let it be cows, buffaloes, goat. These all animals are very much beneficial to the human being, etc. So these are all comes under natural resources. Now the second part of the lesson is that all these natural resources are derived into two parts. One is inexhaustible resources. What is inexhaustible? Inexhaustible means the resources which are plenty in our nature, unlimited quantity. If you use it, their quantity is not going to decrease. For example, sunlight. For example, sunlight, you see, many living beings survives through what you call sunlight. So sunlight, so abundant quantity we have, much quantity of sunlight we are having, the nature is providing us. So sunlight lasts, it never ends. Water, although many of the persons they survive due to the lack of water, but water is a recyclable, isn't it? So water also we can say that there is no end of the water. Air also, it never ends. So some resources which last for the longer period, they are called inexhaustible resources. On the other hand, we have another type of natural resources, they are exhaustible. Exhaustible means the quantity of resources are limited in our nature. For example, coal, petroleum, they are the fossil fuels which are made by the millions of years. But that fossil fuel, coal and petrol, we have limited quantity in our earth. Maybe it will last 50 years, 40 years, but one day whole coal and petroleum is going to be decreased. So there are chances that it will come to an end maybe in the coming future. So these are, so minerals, we are just digging out. We are using lots of minerals. We are using bauxite, iron ore. They are all found under the earth, but they are in the limited quantity, but one day they will come to an end. So in all, the natural resources is divided into two parts. One is exhaustible, which have limited quantity in our nature and can be end soon, and some are inexhaustibles. We have unlimited quantity of this which never ends, can last for a longer period. So this is what today I want to explain you. So we'll see you in the next part, the formation of coal. Until then, bye.